Tata Free Data Analyst Online Internship 2025. Yes, today we are going to dive into an incredible opportunity by Tata Consultancy. They are offering a free data analyst online internship 2025, which is completely free, fully online, and packed with real world experience. Let's explore what makes it most valuable. I'll tell you who should do this internship and what you will learn, how it actually works, what are the project highlights and who should apply. Everything here. So just watch. Hey everyone, welcome to Gomes Tech Talks channel. I'm Dr. Gomati and this is my channel. In this channel, I'll be discussing about the internship opportunities, hackathon opportunity, a lot of various exciting stuff for the students, professionals, everybody. So please don't forget to look into this particular playlist, which is a skill up playlist, which is exclusive for all the students, all the professionals, where you will know about the internship hackathon and free courses, everything. So let's dive into this particular thing, that is a Tata Gen AI powered data analytics, which is a self-paced program which is offered by Tata. So what is this actually? As the data driven decision making becomes the backbone of every industry, the demand for skilled data analytics is skyrocketing. Tata Group, a global leader with a presence in over 100 countries, has recognized this trend and launched the Tata Free Data Analyst online internship to empower the next generation of analytics professionals. This program is designed for students, recent graduates, and even professionals looking to upskill or switch career. With a self paced online format, you can learn from anywhere, no prior experience required. The key skill of this particular Tata free data analyst online internship is what self paced learning. Complete the task at your own speed, guided by the pre recorded videos and examples answered from the Tata experts. You will have the real world experience. So once you just scroll down, you can see it's a self paced 3 to 4 hours of data job simulation you have. And how it works, you have to complete the pre recorded video and then you will be earning a certificate and then you will stand out of the applicants. So, this is what job your complete Tata internship is all about. Here, you will face a real world experience. So, you will work on the project that mirror actual business challenges faced by Tata's analytics team. You will get an industry recognized certificate. You will earn a digital certificate upon completion to boost your resume and LinkedIn profile. You will get mentorship from the seasoned professional in the field. And you will also get a networking opportunity. The highlight is no cost involved. The internship is completely free, no hidden fees or charges. So, what you will learn during the Tata Free Data Analyst online internship? You will learn how to collect the data, data collection and cleaning, data analysis, data visualization, reporting insights, collaboration, and collaborative projects as well. You will also build the proficiency in essential tools like Excel, SQL, Python. So, just you can see many more things here. So, you have a task based. So, task one is the exploratory data analysis, where you have to spend 1 to 2 hours of time. You will understand what is exploratory data analysis here. This is a task two, which is predicting delinquency with AI. So, here you have to spend 30 to 60 minutes and you will learn how to use Gen AI and everything. Then next comes the task three. You have nearly 30 to 60 minutes where you will do the business report and data storytelling for collecting the strategy, and you will learn all these things. Next comes the task four, which is like implementing an AI driven collection, and you will learn about all these things. And final line. Okay, so you will be understanding the final of this particular program. So you will also learn who should apply for this. So college students, if you are a college student, if you are a recent graduate, if you are a professional, if you are a career changers, like if you or whoever you may be, if you are interested in data analytics, yes, you can just go ahead and do this. There is strictly no eligibility criteria, making this program accessible to a wide range of aspiring data enthusiasts is the highest aim of Tata. So, as I told, it works with a self paced module, guided learning, project based assignments, like mentorship, and certificate of completion and everything. And how it exactly works, as I told, it's a pre-recorded. So you have some tasks in the program where you will be doing the exploratory data analytics, predicting the third and fourth and everything. There are a lot of tasks involved in it. So you have to do the tasks clearly. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. It's very simple. If you just go ahead and click here, sign up. Okay, so you can just simply start your free program by clicking here. It will ask you to sign in, or else you can create your account. You can sign in with your Google account. It's very simple as that. So you can just use access your Google accounts to sign in. So it will take some time. Let us just wait. To select your Google account, it's very simple step to go ahead with, proceed with. So yes, you are started. So you have to give your name, date of birth, um, okay, and then university in career, and you can say, you can choose, if you are a student, you can choose the high school or university, or you can also say like what is your career and everything, and you can say the graduation date as well. So you can mention um, okay, and click agree to join. So once you click agree to join, yes, you are ready to go. So it is loading for you, and you will be creating a free account here, and you have to just give the highest graduation. So mine is master's degree, professional doctorate, and major is computer science and IT, and the mark is this. Just click next. And where are you authorized to work? So where you are working now? I'm just working in India. Okay, you can choose India. And will you now or future needs a sponsorship or visa? Just click S if you want. Where is your primary place of residence? Okay. Okay, are you willing to relocate for a role? As which career interest you? So because it's also a job simulation, right? So it will give you some, you can just enter your preferences here so that you will get some job opportunities whenever it is open. And how did you hear us about? I'm just going with a Google search and click next. And then which of these companies would you be interested in working? Wow. So I am ready to work with these things. Okay, so you can just click save, and then it will take you to the next level. So yes, you are ready. So here you can see it is moving, grow your confidence, and yes, it is loading your free course, free internship for you. You can start learning with the task 1, task 2, and task 3, and then you can complete. So let's see. Yes. So we are in, and we can just click start your program, start free program. It will enroll you into the program and it will load. So you should also tell about yourself for Tata. So how did you hear us about um, other or a Google search, whatever it may be? Holes and walls, I help out Tata, I'll build my career. So whatever you want to go ahead with, and I have good understanding of who Tata is and working. Yes, agree. I feel confident based on currently. So whatever you want, you just want to give as a thing, you can just add it. Now we are here. Okay, so here it is showing welcome. What is your role? You are an AI transformation consultant at Tata IQ, specializing in data driven decision making. You work with a larger data analytics team. So this is the project based internship. So they're also giving you the goal. What is your goal? Just click next. It will take you to your team. So this is a financial services team. So who you are here at AI transformation consultant, and you have a senior manager as well, direct supervisor. So just click next, and here you can see the project briefing. What is the project here? And here you can mention about the, you can see the email. what is this? This is a data driven and support ahead collection. So you can read completely about this particular thing, and you can just click start quiz. Okay, so once you have started, you can just see the complete task. You can just, it will give you some guided learning. So if you want to know about this, just let me know. I'll also tell you the steps of how to do it. So this is how you can enroll into the program. Just go ahead, enroll into this program. It will give you a lot of understanding about how a AI consultant should work, because you are playing here an AI transformation consultant role, and it will really help you to understand how to do this, and what is your exact role if you are applying for this job in the future. Take care. Bye bye. I'll meet you soon in next video.